Hello and welcome to the Move of the Week playlist. This will be the first video, and the purpose of this category of videos is when I look back to the week that passed and find good moves with good possible entries, in my opinion, based on the system that I teach on YouTube and use in my trading. So here we go. USD absolutely clear and bullish trend here. Yes, a bit extended probably, but it is not going upwards consecutively. We see these down breaks from time to time, and we know that they are for the purpose of reaccumulation. And recently we had this one down break and this big down move as a possible fractal reaccumulation. After this down move, price reacted to this zone or to this bigger zone, his bigger down move, reacted and started to build a move up. And as we know from the basics theory that again is described on many videos and playlists here, is when you have something like this, so like this, your target becomes this high and above, because the markets, they move in this fashion. And so the price started this move to the upside from the zone, and while having huge bullish foundation below it, and then went all the way to the high and created a really nice impulse correction and started a new impulse to the upside. So we are breaking the high, and usually on the break what we can expect is some impulsive movement to create a really confident break to the upside. And so this was the daily context, just a really long-term clear bullish trend with recent break to the upside, reaction from the zone, and now ICI not far away from the previous high with expectation of continuations. And by the way, this playlist includes hindsight research, so these are not the trades that I actually took. I'm doing it for educational purposes, as everything I do, of course, not financial advice, thank you very much. But I have a playlist which is called live trade breakdowns, so this is more like close to live playlist with my trades. So on the 4 hours we have the same, just upwards moving market that is creating chains of demand, that is holding chains of demand and creating ICIs to the upside. And recently it created one more impulse correction into the zone, so basically the same like we saw on daily. So on daily we saw this, and on 4 hours we see this. So let me stretch it a little bit. So we have a really clear impulse to the upside, and again we are not trying to catch this bottom of the zone. We are kind of waiting for the development, and when the price is here, then the chances of nice break is pretty high. 1 hour is doing basically the same, but here we have more detailed views on the ICI preceding the move itself. So we have like bigger break of the structure, then pullback starts, and eventually we are starting to have this chain of demand, and we start to have this impulse and correction. So this ICI in itself is really nice, and the entry could be done even from 1 hour, just on the break, stop somewhere here, and so on. But this example specifically goes to 5 minutes, and as you can see, 5 minutes, as every time frame before it has a bullish foundation before the setup, and then we have this break to the upside, we are tapping into the zone, we are holding it, and start to move away from the zone in the direction of the high, in confluence with multi-time frame analysis. And we have impulse correction, impulse, so this was the first possible entry, but then we even break the high, create this correction, and then so we create one more ICI. Here on the break the entry is possible, and let's see, like price taps us in, then moves a bit higher, then news come out, but it holds itself, so it's so strong that even news can't manipulate it, and then it goes to possible targets and far above. So this was the move of the week. I hope you enjoyed. If any questions, let me know. And if you don't know the concept that I'm talking about here, it's all for free on the YouTube, and you can join the Telegram, ask questions, and so on. Thank you.